June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, is assassinated in Sarajevo by Gavrilo Princip, a 19-year-old Bosnian Serb nationalist. What seemed like a local tragedy in a volatile region would set off the deadliest conflict the world had ever known. Austria-Hungary, furious and eager to crush Serbian nationalism, issues an ultimatum to Serbia. The terms, harsh, designed to be rejected. Serbia, under pressure, accepts most but not all of the terms. On July 28, Austria-Hungary declares war on Serbia. The first domino falls. Russia mobilizes its forces. Russia, bound by Slavic brotherhood and political interest, mobilizes in defense of Serbia. But Russia's move alarms Germany, Austria-Hungary's close ally. Germany, fearing encirclement by Russia and its ally France, declares war on Russia on August 1st and France 2 days later. To quickly knock France out of the war, Germany executes the Schlieffen Plan, a sweeping invasion through neutral Belgium. But Belgium was neutral, its neutrality guaranteed by international treaty. When Germany invaded, Britain had a decision to make. The violation of Belgium's neutrality gave Britain both cause and excuse. On August 4th, 1914, Britain declares war on Germany. In days, a regional crisis spiraled into a world war. The British Empire brought in soldiers from across the globe. Japan declared war on Germany. The Ottoman Empire joined the Central Powers. The war's reach was no longer European. This wasn't just about alliances. It was about pride, fear, empire, and miscalculation. Diplomatic blunders, rigid war plans, and mutual suspicion lit the fuse. Each nation believed they were acting in defense. Few expected a long war. None expected the scale of destruction to come. By August 1914, the world was at war. Millions would die, empires would collapse, and the 20th century would never be the same.